The Homo antecessor, the pioneer men. The pioneer men were the first human species to settle in Europe, which gave them their name. They are much similar to the modern human in stature, with heights ranging from 162 to 186 centimeters, with long muscular limbs, similar to that of a Neanderthal. They hunted deers, boars, mammoths, and even cannibalized each other. It is unknown whether they used fire in any meaningful way, since there are no signs of charcoal or cooking in caves of the era. Regarding their surprising similarity to the modern human, they are considered to be the last common ancestor of Neanderthals and ourselves. The Homo longi, dragon man. The dragon man possessed very short statures, and despite that had the longest skulls and largest mouths among all human species. Their brains were much larger than other human species, second only to that of a Neanderthal. Their fossils were found all across today's mainland China. They are debated to be the same or the offspring of the Denisovans, which we'll get to shortly. The Homo habilis, the handyman. The handyman evolved in South and East of Africa around 2.4 million years ago, debated to be the direct ancestors of the pioneer men, meaning they could be our direct ancestors as well. The handyman were rather short, with estimations about their height ranging from 120 to 163 centimeters, with arms much longer than that of a modern human, adapted for swinging and climbing. Most of the speculations about their culture comes from baboon and chimp behavior, hence they are speculated to have formed polygynous relationships. They had thick body hair coating them from the cold, and had a diet rich in red meat stolen from cheetahs and jackals. The Homo erectus, the upright man, were the first to evolve human-like features, first to use fire, and the first to leave Africa, settling across Eurasia and possibly America. The upright man, standing at 148 to 167, were much better at power running than endurance running, unlike most human species. They coexisted with the handyman for 1 million years before leaving their motherland, which was caused by their dominance over the predator hierarchy. The Homo Denisovans, ranging across Asia with short statures, large mouths, and no chins. Most of the Denisovans fossils were found in caves of Tibet, Taiwan, and China. There is not enough evidence to figure the average Denisovan's height, though one female fossil suggests that the Denisovan females were around 168, making them the largest females among all human species. Their common traits with Neanderthals, such as greatly developed brow ridges, massive mouths, and lacking chins, makes their speculations not so far-fetched. They interbred with the modern human, and their genes can be found in the inhabitants of Australia, Philippines, Malaysia, and Native America. Evidence in Tibetan caves suggests that the Denisovans ate goats, horses, cows, and eagles. Homo floresiensis, or the Hobbits, were descendants of the upright man that sailed to and inhabited the Flores Island in Indonesia. Their limited population and island environment led to their dwarfism, with their average height at around 1 meter with fittingly tiny brains. They hunted baby mammoths and Komodo dragons, which often led to rivalry with storks for food. They evolved 1.27 million years ago and went extinct 50,000 years ago with the arrival of the modern human, which is a recurring theme among ancient human species. Neanderthals. The Neanderthals are recognized for their broad chests, strong jaws, long limbs, and muscular physique. It is often remarked that their strong bodies is what led to their extinction, since they required a lot of calories and protein to maintain such freakish stature. They went extinct around 40,000 years ago with the arrival of the modern human, but some of their DNA can be found in their sister species, suggesting that some Neanderthals integrated themselves in our ancestors' populations. Homo sapiens, or humbly named wise men, are most notably characterized by their large brains, which is thought to be the main reason for their survival and dominance in the animal kingdom. They're 170 tall on average, and have abandoned their hunter-gatherer lifestyle for 70,000 years now, relying on agriculture and settling for a mainly grain diet up until a few hundred years ago. They watch YouTube, play Jenga, and dig fossils, gazing into history, wondering what it's been rather than what it is. Thank you for watching.